Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you're signed into the correct Google account and that calendar sync is enabled. This prevents permission mismatches. Next, update the Google Calendar app or web page so you have recent bug fixes. Then clear app cache and force stop the app on mobile or clear browser cache and reload the page on desktop. Once done, restart the device or browser to apply changes and reattempt sync. These first steps eliminate most simple causes quickly. Now you dig deeper. Open calendar settings and confirm the calendar list, visibility, and notification permissions for each calendar you use. If an individual calendar still misbehaves, remove and re-add that calendar or the entire Google account. This resets sync tokens. Also verify event time zones and default calendar preferences to avoid invisible events. Make sure two-factor prompts or account security alerts aren't blocking access. Once those changes finish, force a manual sync and watch for errors. To finish, force a full sync. On mobile, tap Sync Now. On desktop, refresh and check sync status in Settings. If events remain missing, recreate a single test event to confirm write and read access. Then inspect connected apps that might delete or hide events. If the issue persists, temporarily disable third-party calendar integrations and retry. One key troubleshooting tip: if sync errors show authentication failures, remove the account and re-authenticate. This often resolves token-related sync failures quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.